Morning everyone, how are we all doing? Oh, on another adventure today. So we've just parked in a place called Blaen Y Glyn car park.
It's the upper one.
The upper one. So I link the description, the directions in the comments below, or the description below, so you can find out where it is. So we should see a couple of interesting things on our walk today. There's a waterfall.
Yeah.
So we'll go and see that, we'll show you that. And there's a war memorial as well, of an old aircraft that crashed. So hopefully we'll be able to show you that as well. Yeah. So,
there you go.
There we go, let's go. Check that out. Yeah, so wow, what a lovely waterfall. So we've just come across it. There was a few further back up as well, but this one was kind of the bigger of the three I think we passed. It was lovely, you know. It's been raining a little bit, but I can imagine if it's been raining for quite a while, that would be quite a big waterfall. So yeah, we as we left the car park, there's a sign saying the upper Blaen Y Glyn waterfall. You'll see it as you go towards the entrance of the car park. Make a left, and then you follow the path down, and then when you get down the path, only a little way, there's a little fork in the path. So if you go right at the fork, you can follow the path down and come across these waterfalls. the path is a little, I don't know, it's not great.
Steep, isn't it?
It is steep. Yeah, you can see people have walked on it, but I would say, you know, if you've got any injuries or ailments or anything like that, I would avoid it and go left.
Keep to the left.
Because if you go left, this path will meet the path on the left, but obviously you might miss out on these waterfalls. But as you can see, guys, it's beautiful. So yeah, so we're going to keep going down now, and see if any more waterfalls we come across. Here we are, guys. Yeah, we've made it to Blaen Y Glyn waterfall. Yes, it's really impressive. Yes, as you can see, it's just there. Yes, it's lovely. So as you sort of come from the right-hand path, if you take the right-hand path, make a slight left when the two paths meet, because it can be a bit confusing.
Yeah, because we walked straight down
and we didn't know where we were going, so we had to come back on ourselves.
Yeah.
So yeah, if you take a slight little left, there'll be a sign then saying waterfall. Pass through a little green gate, and yeah, you'll get here. So here we are. Well, there we go, guys. So we've just done Blaen Y Glyn waterfall. Yeah, it was really impressive. I guess obviously when it rains a bit more, it'll be even bigger. But yeah, it was lovely. So we're just making our way now to the Wellington War Memorial. So as you finish at the waterfall, doing what you want, take photos, go for a dip if you want to, if you're brave enough in this weather. Yeah, there'll be a wooden little bridge. You can't miss it. It's right in front of you. and then cross over the bridge, and then what you want to do is take the path left, so following the stream back up. It's not the best of paths, it's a bit muddy, it's a bit boggy, so you know, put on your good footwear, and yeah, but it's easy enough to follow. And then what will happen then, you'll follow it all up about, I don't know, about a mile maybe, and then what you'll do then, you'll see some lovely views as you're walking up as well. But what will happen then, you'll come across this little stile here, as you can see Elise sitting on. So what you want to do then is cross over the stile, so cross over, and then you want to head up there then. So that's where we're going. So we'll keep going and we'll see you at the War Memorial. So we've climbed over the stile, climbed the steep bit. If you come this way, you will know what I mean. So just to give you a bit of information really of where to go next after you've done that. So if you follow the fence line, if I show you here now a second, so you follow the fence line up, you'll come across these couple of gates here.
Yeah, that one's a nice little indicator.
So, yeah, so
isn't
you've got a silver gate there. What you need to do when you get up here then is, see that mountain right in front of you, right up there? There's a path going all the way up there. That's where you need to go.
Get up there.
At the top of there, there's a cairn, so a stone cairn basically. You can't miss it, it's massive. So get to the top of the mountain, and then what you want to do from that stone cairn is take a left, follow the path all the way around the side of the mountain, and then just keep going, and eventually you'll come across the memorial. As I said, you can't miss it. So as long as you stick left of the cairn, you'll be fine. Keep going all the way around, and yeah, you'll find it. Right, so let's get up that mountain. Yeah, we finally made it to the War Memorial. So it's the War Memorial for a Canadian crew during the Second World War. They were on a training exercise over the Brecon Beacons when they got into some trouble and crashed into the side of the mountain. It was on the 6th of July 1942. So I'll give you a quick little show around now, because you can see the memorial behind us here, and we'll show you some of the wreckage that is still here as well. Yeah, it's sad. There were stories saying that the families, or it took them a while to find them, and the families didn't know where they were. So sad event that happened during a sad moment in history really. So as I said, yeah, I'll show you a quick look around here now, and you'll be able to see some of the wreckage as well. Right guys, so we're on our way back down now. We had so much fun enjoying the walk we've been on today. We're just stopping off, taking photos, videos, having coffee, lunch, enjoying the waterfalls on the way up as well. But like I said, we enjoyed ourselves so much, and it was such a lovely walk, and we're just enjoying the views. So as I said, we're on our way back down now, so we'll get back down and see you at the car. We're back at the car. Oh, that was a really good walk, that one was, guys. I can't even get my words out, I'm so tired after that. Whoa, really good walk, really enjoyed it. Yeah, so yeah, come up here, enjoy it. But I hope you enjoyed this one, and yeah, see you on the next one.